Hi Matusa, how are you doing?
Hi, Hafiz. Very good evening. I'm doing fine. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing well as well. So, can you please introduce yourself? Let us, everyone know, like, who are you and why you are talking about in this session. Yeah.
Sure. Myself, Matloob. I work for GSA, Global Star Academy. Actually, basically, we are a UK firm. We have got our education and training institute. We run in Mumbai, and basically, we teach how to trade into stock market and international currency market.
Okay.
So
What?
I work as a CFO with the company.
Okay. So, your company name is the Global Star Academy, yes?
Yeah, that's correct.
Yeah. So, we have how you find it for the logo design for your business. You need a logo for your business, yes. So, you have
Yes.
a design it. So, what is the journey to find us? Like, how you will find us?
Yeah, that's very difficult part actually. When it comes to design your dream. When it comes to design your concept. What you are going to promote in a market. Which is going to be your baby.
Yeah,
I mean, since for long term. So you always choose very important people. And trusting. A good brand is obviously plays a very important role. So I met from Facebook, and uh, yes, I got those people who really made the thing which I wanted.
okay, okay. Maybe you
So
have seen
I
some of our work on Facebook. Yeah, you have maybe visited our website. You have checked out a lot of work over there.
Yes, I have seen the promotion of yours, and then I have got connected with you, and yes, the company Designtial, really, they have made a logo which I wanted. So the creativeness, the way they design my logo, that really represent what I'm doing actually. See, what is logo? Logo is something, a person look the logo and he comes to know that what is this company into.
Yeah, definitely.
So when you guys have made and given me the logo, I just told that this is the one what I was looking out for. So
Yeah,
I'm very much happy and satisfied,
thank you
with
very
the
much.
design of the logo.
Yeah. So, when you first met and you have checked everything, and after that you came to us, and we have asked for that you have to make the payment. So I just asking these questions because a lot of people, like a lot of companies are tried want to work with us, but anyhow they don't have that pump. They didn't not going to what can I say, believe in us, so
Yes,
they,
yes.
yeah.
Obviously, yeah, obviously, see, I understood your point. There is always a trust factor, which is very important in people, And yes, I have when I came across to you guys, first I have seen your Google reviews, I have checked the testimonials what you guys have got, So the work what you guys have done, the way you guys have worked in the market, I always thought, yes, these are the people who are very passionate about their work, and and yes, obviously even I have liked the tat of yours, you guys have committed me whatever timing, you have given in the same time, when you guys have committed. So I'm really very much appreciated, the way you guys have worked for me.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. So, I have two or three questions left. Like, what is how you like our support? Because whenever you called me, we are going to receive your call, and what is the support system? You do you get the final files and everything on your mail, and what is the process? Everything you have wanted for. How is the support of us?
Support is obviously very prompt. It's a very prompt support. Whenever I have ping Essential, your support teams are very good. They respond me immediately, and as you guys have a tat, to respond within within 8 to 9 hours. So I have got my things, whatever I was looking out for.
Okay. And how you going to if your friend or someone asking for the logo or something like that, if maybe this video will see in YouTube, a lot of people going to help with that, with your words. And so how you just suggestion, what is the suggestion for them to them actually, what?
Of course, see, as I have recommended you, one or two friend of mine
Okay.
who are basically into financial market. So, see, where there is a good work, that work is always appreciated. You know. So definitely, I'm going to recommend you more people in future. And yes, see, everybody is looking for a great service. For a great work,
Okay.
because money is always secondary. People want the work, what needs
Quality.
to be
Yeah.
done.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
definitely.
So
Quality is.
so you guys are genius in that. Yeah, the
Thank you.
quality matters. Yes.
Yes. And last and the final questions, like out of 10, how you just star design shell? Out of 10, how much you will give?
That's a very very great question. Yes, I would like to give Desential 10 out of 10, because
Okay. Thank you.
yes, yes, it's because what I was looking out for, I have got it. I have got a great service from Desential. And you guys are so prompt. Whenever I face any issue, you guys respond me immediately.
Okay.
So this is what I was looking out for. And yes, trusting a brand, in market is difficult. But yes, I can trust Desential, and I can recommend my friend, my circle also, that you trust Desential, and make your dream come true.
Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. You just give your valuable time to us. Thank you, because if in future, if you need anything, just give a call. We'll be there to help you out. Okay, sir?
Sure, Hafiz. It's
Okay.
it's my pleasure. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Thanks.